how to write the sound y. Hello children, welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to write the sound y, like yam. Okay, so my name is favourtheteacher, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, okay? Okay, so before we learn this, I need you to look at the screen and let's say our sounds together. I want to be sure that you can recite your sound A to Z. Want to go? Apple, apple. Bag, bag. Cup, dog, dog. Elephant, elephant. Frog, frog. Goat, goat. Hat, house. Insect, insect. Jug, jug. King, king. Lollipop, lollipop. Mop, mop. Net, net. Orange, orange. Pot, pot. Queen, queen. Rat, rat. Snake, snake. Tap, tap. Umbrella, umbrella. Van, van. Water, water. X-ray, X-ray. Yam, yam. Zip, z. Oh my goodness, that was fantastic. I am super proud of you. You did an amazing job there. Well done, babies. Okay, so right now we are going straight up into writing the sound what? Y. So I have with me here my board, but this is rude. So we're going to be using this area, and let's see how we write the sound Y. You can see this is very easy, right? Can you see that? So let's go this way. A stroke down, make a loop, stroke up, down the same line, and a swing. Now this is Y. But if you are going to be writing in the cursive way, we're going to write it in the other way now. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line, and make a swing. So which one do you prefer? Is it this Y or is it this Y? Anyone will go. So let's go one more time. A stroke down, make a loop, go up, down the same line, and make a swing. Y. Again, let's go one more time. A stroke down, make a loop, stroke up, take it up, down the same line, and make a swing. That's the sound what? Y. It is a descender. Okay, so the letters go down the line. So this is how we write the sound what? Y. So right now we're going to be writing from A to what? Y. So the first sound we have is what? A. Okay. And the next is B. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I hope you can see that. The next one is what? Qu. Qu. R, S, T, A, V, W, X, and amazing what? Y. Either this one or this one. So that's the sound what? Y. Now, why do we write this one with a loop? Is so that if we want to learn to spell yam, so if I have this one and we go yam, we connect it. Did you see that? So the swing that crosses it makes you to connect to the next sound. So we have the sound what? Y, 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 y. So can you try yours? I need you to learn to write A to what? Y. By now, you should learn how to write what? A to Y. But remember, if you forget, you can always come back to do what? To recite the sound and know the next sound that follows through. So, are we gonna try that? Yay! That's amazing. Okay, so let's learn again how to write the sound Y, Y, Y. One more time. Let's go. So remember, I said it goes two ways. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line and make a swing. Or a stroke down, make a loop, take it up, stroke down the same line and make a swing. So you see, that's the two types, so you have to pick one. So let's go, a stroke down, stroke up. Oh no. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line and make a swing. A stroke down, make a loop, stroke up, down the same line and make a swing. A stroke down, stroke, loop, make a loop, take it up, down and make a swing. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, stroke down the same line and make a swing. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line and make a swing. A stroke down, make a loop. Did you see the loop? Take it up, down the same line and make a swing. Just the way we learned how to write the sound umbrella. So it goes a stroke down, okay, make a loop, take it up, down the same line and make a swing. One more time, a stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line and make a swing. That's the sound Y, 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 Y. So let's go again. A stroke down, make a loop, stroke up, down the same line and make a swing. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line and make a swing. That's the sound what? Y, Y, Y. Okay, children, so right now I need you to practice writing the sound Y. And after the sound Y, I'll see you in the next video where we learn to write the last sound, the sound what? Zzz, like the sound of a bumblebee. The sound zzz, you hear it when you want to say zap or zip, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Remember to keep practicing. I want you to click on the subscription button there. Click subscribe. Good job. Okay, children. Bye.